Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can press and hold on the current watch face on the home screen, like this, to open the watch face menu. And now you can scroll through this list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you'd like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it. For example, this one. And as you can see, it's gonna be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.